implemented and duplicated by those coming behind us. We can talk all we want, but we find ourselves teaching people pieces of the formula, and they're not able to put the whole puzzle together with just pieces. In order for them to experience all of the success, they need to put in place all of the pieces. Sounds so simple, but Jim Rohn said success is a refined study of the obvious. So not only does it allow you to have these 10 steps to 10K, a system for yourself, but in our business, we actually multiply our income by helping others to multiply theirs. So as you buy into the 10 steps to 10K yourself, and then you teach others the 10 steps to 10K who really want that, you actually start to multiply your income. For example, if you want to earn your first 2 rings, the $50,000 ring, the $100,000 ring, and beyond, the 10 steps to 10K will take you straight to your first 2 rings.